Hey guys, welcome. So let's overview this scene. First we have the main scene, which is not 2D, and then the player indicator, and then we got the board, which has the line for the tic-tac-toe board, which is just the black texture, and then the area for the individual grid of the tic-tac-toe that we'll be using to check the area, and then the game over pop-up, and also the shape instant for when we draw the shape, whether they're red or blue, and also the wind indicator, which is the pink one, and also the world environment node for the glow effect. Alright, so to run the game you press F5, and you can also click the icon above to also run the game. It serves the same function. Now we need to create a new script. Click the main node and then click the icon above that to add a new script, and we change the template to empty and then create the script. Now then, what we are going to do first is we're going to hide the wind indicator and also the game over pop-up, so that it will not appear at the first, like this one. So in order to do that, we go to our script tab and then create a function called function ready. This is a built-in function, and we are going to get the game over pop-up node by using the get node. We are going to went to those two nodes, get node and game over pop-up, and dot. This is to access a method called hide, and what this function does is it hide the node when the game run. As you can see, the game over pop-up is invisible. And then use the same get node to hide the wind indicator. And if you run the game, both of them are only hiding and not be drawn onto the screen. So next we are going to create a signal function for the area node, and we are you first create a comment using the hashtag signal function. This, and then you go to the area node, which is the, and then go to the collision object 2D, and click the mouse enter and click the connect button, and then go click the main node and click the connect button, and then you have a signal function call on area 1 mouse enter, and then go ahead and create all for the remaining 8 of the area node 2D. It not takes a while. I'm doing it right now. Another 3. And another 2. And last one. Alright. Why? Okay. Now we have all the 9 function for the signal, and we are ready for the next. Maybe I need to explain how the board works. We have using the area. So how the area works is that we only create the mouse inter signal, right? The function. So when our mouse are inside the area, it will execute that function on area mouse inter. So for example, if I print using the print function to print text to the output, we put some, let's say, grid 1, and then I will run the scene. And when our mouse are inside the area 1, it will run the function. As you can see, the grid 1 text been put to the output. So with this, we can know the where the mouse is hover over. So let's explain it further. This white square is our mouse. So when our mouse are inside the area, it will emit signal called mouse inter, and then it will execute the function that we created. And with this, we can know for certain at what grid does our mouse is hover over. And when we know that, we can set the shape's position to the current grid where the mouse is hover. And this is the mechanic behind the instancing the shape, as you can see the clip. And in the next video, we will talk about the board state and also the grid position. So see you guys in the next part.